Good morning po mga ka-surprise. Early morning routine po ulit tayo. Although this time hindi na po ganun ka-early. Pero early pa rin I think in most of Filipino people, ganyan. Alas 7 pa lang po ng umaga, ayan. And medyo tinanghali po ako ng gising due to some events from yesterday. Uy, may events, ang daming events, ayan, ganyan. And nanalangin na po ako and magbabasa po tayo ng Bible. So, ayun. Mga ka-surprise, sabi nga nila kalmahan lang po natin. Pero, mas kakalmahan pa natin mga ka-surprise kasi nga po, I'm feeling well naman, pero parang I'm so drained, ganun. So, nandito po tayo mga ka-surprise sa aklat ng Isaías. Ayan, nasa chapter 1 po tayo, or kabanata 1. Nasa verse 21 tayo, or talata ika-21. Yun. So, sabayan niyo po ako mga surprise kung nandyan na po kayo. Ang sabi po ay ganito. Ang tapat na lunsod ay naging babaeng bayaran. Dati ay katarungan ang namamayani sa kanya. Katuwiran ang nakatira noon sa kanya. At ang pero ngayon ay mga mamamatay tao. Hanggang doon tayo sa verse 22 or talata ika-22. Ang iyong pilak ay naging dumi. Ang iyong serbesa ay may halong tubig. So, ayun mga surprise, bagong basa ko lang po din ito. So, hindi ko pa po siya mabulay-bulay, hindi ko pa po siya ma-explain sa inyo. Pero dun po sa mga nakakaintindi na, ayan, congratulations. Bubulay-bulayin ko pa po ito mga surprise. So, sabi dito nga, ang tapat na lunsod ay naging babaeng bayaran. So, yun. Dati ay katarungan ang namamayani sa kanya. Katuwiran ang nakatira noon sa kanya. Pero ngayon ay mga mamamatay tao. Ang iyong pilak ay naging dumi. Ang iyong serbesa ay may halong tubig. Yan. So, medyo wala po talagang pumapasok sa utak ko ngayon mga surprise. Ayan, although nanalangin na po ako ng unawa at karunungan sa salita ng Diyos, bubulay-bulayin po natin ito. Siguro nga po kailangan muna natin mag-breakfast mga surprise. Tara na po. Ayan. Nandiyan pa rin po yung mga luggage natin na hindi pa na-unpack. Ayan. Hindi naman po ako ganun ka-busy mga ka-surprise, kaya hindi ko ma-unpack yung mga gamit ko. Pero siguro talaga may ginagawa lang po tayo, kaya hindi pa natin siya na-unpack. Pero as soon as wala na po tayong gagawin, i-unpack na po natin itong mga gamit dito. Ayan. Tingnan na po natin, may liwanag na. Ayan, may liwanag na. It is 2025 mga ka-surprise of August. Pero dito sa baba po nitong SMDC na condominium, nag-uumpisa na po silang maglagay ng mga Christmas decorations. So, ayun. Ganon. Ayan, mag-ano tayo, mag-YouTube tayo, mga surprise. Dito tayo sa Bags Pack Family. Ayan. Parang kagabi ko pa gusto mga surprise. Kagabi pa ako nagka-crave ng rice.
Welcome to the Bags Pack Family YouTube channel. I am Jonathan, and today's episode, Kelly, the kids, and I head to the Alaska State Fair with the brand new Insta360 Go Ultra. We're going to be eating some delicious food, checking out all the animals, seeing all the unique sights that this fair is famous for, from giant vegetables to amazing displays. And we're really going to see how the Insta360 Go Ultra, this little teeny camera, can capture this big, huge Alaska State Fair. Ready for the fair? Oh yeah. Let's do this thing. First thing, we have to take, I have no idea how much it costs. Yeah, me neither. Alright, let's go find out. Hello! 2 adults and 1 youth. $50? Great.
So, ayun nga mga surprise. Mag-prepare tayo ng rice for this morning kasi gusto ko talaga ng rice. So, actually, meron na po ditong rice na hindi po kami nagluluto dito ng rice. So, ito bumibili lang po kami sa mga, yung alam niyo, turo-turo or karinderya, ganun. So, ito po yun. Diba? Parang gutom na gutom mag-rice. Ayan, let's see kung meron pong... Ayan. And siguro mag-ano lang po tayo, luncheon meat kahit wala pa pong lunch. I think luncheon meat is over. Let's dive in. Ayan. So ito mga ka-surprise. Wala pa po akong opinion video niyan, ganon. Pero susubukan natin bigyan ng opinion video.
Actually, a little bit smaller than my old kind of classic earbuds case. I mean, look at the difference. This is incredible. But this camera shoots in 4K, so it's an incredible sharp footage off this little teeny camera. And what I love most about this camera is that it's so easy to go completely hands-free with their magnet, which can fit right to my shirt and have a conversation in a much more natural state. I can also clip it onto the front of a hat bill, and you're going to be able to get some very creative shots that you can't otherwise do with a big, bulky camera. And this really gives you the opportunity to shoot much more natural without having that huge camera in your face while you're talking. And the Go Ultra can really mount just about anywhere. We can stick it to the rail.
So ito po yung mga ka-surprise. This is a Korean brand. Ayan, Hansoon.
Pop it right onto an old school selfie stick and film kind of in a traditional style like a vlog. Plus there's the image quality to consider. Not only is this 4K, but it now shoots 4K 60 frames a second. So even when you're moving around the fair, everything looks super clean and cinematic. And here's something that really surprised me. The battery life. This standalone camera right here runs for 70 minutes. But if you combine it with the included action pod, now you've got 200 minutes to film. And if you happen to really...
Since this is resealable naman mga ka-surprise, hindi na natin inaalis yung buong meat kung hindi naman natin siya lulutuin lahat. I-reseal na lang po natin ito. So kung ano lang yung kaya po natin kainin na sa
plenty of battery for us to film a full day of adventure. So if you want to check out the Insta360 Go Ultra for yourself,
and then, yan, i-close po natin yan.
Or click on the link in the description and the pinned comment. Now let's go have some fun at the fair. Alright guys, it feels so good to be back at the Alaska State Fair.
Yes, we're back.
Yeah, and you know, the thing is, this Alaska Fair last year, that was our first Alaska video, or really after the road trip.
Yes.
We got back, we came to the fair that first weekend, so to be back year 2 at the fair really means a lot to us.
Yeah, we already have our list of foods we want to try that we didn't get to, foods that we ate that we loved, and then all the rides the kids want to do.
Yeah, so you're gonna see maybe
So for now, mag-ano po tayo. I-air fry po natin siya mga ka-surprise.
Yes.
Alright, let's do it.
Can we get 2 orders of the 6 scrambled wells
Ayan. And again, sa mga nakatira po sa SMDC condominiums, ito pong plug na po ito sa kitchen, napaka ano po niyan, napaka sensitive po niya, kaya medyo ilalayo po natin yung anything na nagmo-moist po dyan. So, ayan.
Yeah, we just can't get enough of it.
Takes you right back.
Yeah, the dumplings have a really good taste to it. I think it's a little fried because it gets sort of like a brown color.
It looks pan fried, doesn't it?
Yeah,
The best way.
it's really good. Forrest, do you like it? Yeah, and with the skin and the chicken.
So tasty.
Yeah.
Yeah, how's that Thai iced tea?
It's delicious. You want to taste?
Oh, sure.
Whenever you're missing Thailand, you just
Oh, yeah.
big sip.
It's all good. It tastes legit, just like it. We're gonna knock out the
Gusto rin ba natin ng bread? Siguro hindi na, kasi may rice tayo. Ito po yung rice natin. Iinit na rin po natin yung rice natin, mga surprise.
Alright, Granny, think crab cakes?
Oh yeah.
How?
You gotta go crab cakes, yeah, classic crab cakes. You can do 5 for 15, or it looks like 15 for $25.
So kung pati po yung rice natin, mga surprise, iinit natin, gagamit po tayo ng
The Alaska crab cakes.
siguro ang tawag dito is silicone something. Ito, ganito.
Yeah, bucket of 15 for 25. Now, if I knew we weren't gonna be eating a whole lot more, probably would have gotten the bucket. Yeah, alright, here we go. Cheers.
Cheers.
So ayan, ito mga surprise. Gagamit na po tayo ng silicone kasi nga po meron po tayong rice. So kasi hindi naman po natin pwedeng ilagay yung rice dito sa mismong air fryer. Ayan. So ganito po yung gagawin natin. Diba?
I mean, to serve everyone with very, I imagine maybe 100.
And then since galing nga sa ref itong rice natin, malamig siya, kaya kailangan natin siyang air fryer, mga ka-surprise. Ganyan.
That's good.
Yeah, it's just a nice, refreshing kind of steak their food. That's good.
Perfectly
So
fine.
ganun po siya. And then siguro mga 5 minutes lang tayo. Ayan. So ayan, magchikahan nga muna tayo, mga ka-surprise about my latest hairdo. Ayan, let's So ayan nga, mga ka-surprise. Ito na po yung latest hairstyle natin. Ayan, diba? Brush mo lang siyang ganyan, brush up lang na ganyan. And okay po ba? Ito po yung side view niya. Undercut po siya, ganyan. And then yung side view niya, ganyan. So yun lang po, wala mo na masyadong kwento about sa my hair kasi hindi ko pa po alam kung bagay talaga. So mga surprise, may papakita pala ako sa inyo. Natutuwa ako dito sa, kung nakikita niyo po yung coconut tree, ayan. Natutuwa ako sa kanya, parang masyadong tropical yung feels. Ayan.
Okay, you guys, are you seriously gonna go ride some mini monster trucks?
Ayan. Tropical yung feels niya, mga surprise. Ganyan. So mag-tropical feels muna po tayo, mga surprise, ganyan.
Alright. Oh, the Renegade Forest. Alright, Cedar and Forest, do you know what's about to happen? The petting zoo.
So mga ka-surprise, di ko napapahabain yung video. Hanggang doon lang po muna tayo. Salamat po, sinamahan niyo ako sa morning routine na po na ito. Puputulin ko na po.
Boom.